FGFRC. Snuck yet another one in on you. Now I got the FREEWING F22 Raptor 64mm high performance on 4S. So right, left, up, down. I'm running low rates right now. Let's go down here and do ourselves a range test. Got a Spectrum AR36B receiver in her, and that receiver believes that it is the F15 Eagle, which is basically almost the exact same configuration. So let's go down here, go to our range test. Okay. All right. All right. Here, back down here to us. Do our control surface test real quick before we put her in the air. A little dark today and a gray sky might be a problem, but all right, we got up, we got down, we got right, we got left. Right, left, up, down. And I do have the elevator set up by default by just a few, I think about 6 millimeters. So here we go. I gotta tell you, yeah, I think I like mid rates better. Oh boy, what a good flying little bird. I gotta go around here on the other side here. Man, she is locked in. I mean, as Ryan says. Maybe needs just a touch of up trim. Yeah, maybe just a touch of up trim. I'm gonna try high rates now. All right. Y'all know me, if I'm not talking, I'm a little nervous, but for a maiden, all right, I'll take that all day. Well, that is the maiden, folks, of the FREEWING F22 64mm high performance 4S. And just so you know, my rates are, my high rates are 80% over 20% expo. Mid rates are 60 over 20% expo, and low rates were 40 over 20. And I think the 60 over 20 seem to do best for me for right now until I get used to her. And what you want to hear before you touch a bird? Motor off. All right, folks. Well, there you go. Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.